I don't think cities and people in cities really understand how important parking is to so many things. It's a huge source of emissions in cities. It's a huge source of frustration. It's a huge source of traffic and congestion. And so simplifying and streamlining parking can have a lot of amplifying effects in cities, and Modii's doing a great job of trying to attack all of those.
Modii is a digital infrastructure company. We're built around the concept of working with cities and city administrators to actually digitize their curbside and off-street parking assets. The idea behind that being that we're aiming to solve the problems that have plagued the parking network, both in urban areas and university campuses, stadiums, and really anywhere with a high demand of parking. We were constantly hearing from our customers that they had enough parking to satisfy the customer base that are coming to their municipalities each day, but it wasn't being used optimally, so people thought that there was no parking anywhere that they would go. What we're doing is helping them to better plan, monitor, and manage their existing parking assets to better provide customer service and a customer experience to their constituents.
Cherry Creek is a very upscale part of Denver, and parking is really tough to find there. It's mostly on street. There's a handful of private garages, and nobody really understands where parking is, what it's going to cost them, what time of day is it open. And so Modii has been able to aggregate all of those things into one platform and communicate it to the public so they can find where they're trying to go very easily.
Right up here.
The biggest challenge that we had is we have technology for permitting process, for public parking, for license plate technologies, but they don't really communicate on a way that was really beneficial to the city. Modii was able to provide a platform to intake basically the information that we have from these hardware and software programs that don't necessarily communicate and unify them within one system. Another reason for choosing Modii was not just their ability to use our current technology, but being able to input data from other sources that we may or may not use in the future as we expand our parking operations and our parking enforcement.
We do about 8,000 to 9,000 transactions a day in parking on the on-street locations. So we have a lot of customers here, but we don't always know a good amount of data about them. Modii really came across with a product that made a lot of sense for us. They really took the data we had and helped us formulate what really can come across to the user in a very quick fashion. Modii came in with this parking finder that really helps our population find what the rates are at any given location. As we install sensors throughout the downtown and have the occupancy of the garage reported, people coming downtown for events will have more of an opportunity to go to where there is available parking quicker and then be able to get to their destination sooner instead of driving around a lot. They helped us by being intuitive beyond what we had even thought we knew about our own city.
Not only does Modii help the public, but Modii helps parking administrators a lot. It integrates all of the different systems and data streams that they may have about public and private parking. It digitizes everything and allows you to understand and analyze what is happening in all of your parking assets in a city.